morning, viewers. This is Kasturi Day. Today, again, I'll continue with the discussion of the cell, the unit of life chapter, according to ICSE syllabus, class 9. In my last few videos, I've started this class 9 syllabus. I've started with this one, biology syllabus. Okay, so do observe these videos. And I think that will help you in your studies. Okay, and to observe, to stay tuned with these videos, you need to have to subscribe my videos and also press the like button. That can motivate me to produce some good videos for you. Okay, and also do share with your friends so that they can also be benefited from these videos. Okay, so let me start with, I'm starting with the lysosomes today. Okay, so what are lysosomes? They are small vesicles of different shapes containing some digestive enzymes, and the enzymes destroy they destroy and digest the foreign substance. This I have discussed in my last video. Okay, so I'll give a revision to this. In my last videos, I was discussing about the cell organelles. So first was endoplasmic reticulum, then was ribosomes, then mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, and then ribosomes. I discovered they are known as the suicidal bags because they destroy three types of things: destroy and digest the foreign substances, then the stored food which are present in the cells, that is also destroyed by these lysosomes. Even the damaged cells, okay, those are also destroyed and dissolved by the lysosomes. That's why they are known as suicidal bags. Okay, now the cell organelles, I mean the centrosome and the centrioles. Okay, this is also a cell organelle known as centrosomes and the centrioles, and these are found only in the animal cell. This is the only cell organelle, centrosome and the centrioles, that is the found only in the animal cells. These are not found in the plant cells. Okay, during mitosis and meiosis, these develop spindle fibers. Okay, these develop spindle fibers, and they help in this division of the cell. The centrosome actually contains two centrioles. See, this is the two centrioles. These two are the centrioles. Okay, and they are present. These centrioles are the short bundle of, what are the centrioles? These are short bundles of microfilaments. These are the microfilaments, microtubules. Okay, in triplets they are arranged in triplets, and these are the microfilaments which are arranged at right angles to each other. See, this one is in this way and the other one is at 90 degrees to the first one. So these two centrioles are arranged at right angles to each other, and they can only be seen through microscopes. Okay, they are not seen through the naked eye. They can only be seen through a microscope. And as I told you, they are the only this is the organelle which is found only in the animal cell, but not in the plant cells. Okay, so and their function is mitosis and meiosis. During mitosis and meiosis, they develop spindle fibers. Okay, they help in cell division. Okay, and these spindle fibers, from these spindle fibers, they join these centrosomes, which are arranged in the equatorial manner. That I will discuss when I'll discuss this mitosis and meiosis cell division. Okay, so for now you need to know what is centrosome and what is centrosome and what are centrioles. Okay, and where they are found only in the animal cells, and they help in their function is, what is their function? Their function is they develop spindle fibers during mitosis and meiosis. Okay, and the centrosome generally contain two centrioles. Okay, these are not seen through the microscope. And the centrioles, what are centrioles? They are short bundles of microfilaments which are arranged at right angles to each other. Okay, next we move on to plastids. Okay, Now, plastids. Plastids are the organelles that are found only in the plant cells. Okay, not found in animal cells. Okay, now their shape. They are of three types, three-shaped. One is oval, spherical, and disc-shaped. Okay, oval, spherical, and disc-shaped. Three types of shapes are there of the plastids. They are only found in plant cells. Now, depending upon the color they impart, what the color they impart, according to them, according to the color they impart, they are divided into three types of plastids. Okay, they are of three types of plastids depending upon the color they impart. First is leucoplast, second is chromoplast, and third is the chloroplast. Okay, so three types of plastids are there: leucoplast, chromoplast, and chloroplast. Okay, now leucoplast. First we come to leucoplast. And the leucoplast, these are the plastids which have no pigment. Leuco means white. So the plastids which are white in color, that is, they do not have any pigment. So what is their function? Their function is storing starch. Okay, what is the example of it? Example is the cells of the potato. They do not have any color. That's why they are known, the plastids they have, those are known as leucoplasts. Okay. Now we come to the second one, that is chromoplast. Chromoplasts are variously colored plastids. Okay, they are colored plastids, generally yellow, orange, and red. Okay, mostly they are present in the parts of the plants which are visible to us but of different colors, like flowers, petals of the flowers, the fruits. Okay, these are colored, these contain the colored plastid known as chromoplast. Okay, the pigment which they have, what the pigments these chloroplasts have? First is xanthophyll, that is yellow in color, and carotene, that contains orange, that means orange and red. Okay, the pigments they contain, one is xanthophyll and is carotene. Xanthophylls yellow and carotene is orange red. Okay, now another thing you need to note, that anthocyanins, this is a coloring pigment, that is not associated with the plastids. Okay, anthocyanin is a coloring pigment. Please note it down that anthocyanins are the coloring pigments. They are not associated with the plastids, but they remain dissolved in the cell sap. Okay, they remain dissolved in the cell sap. Okay, and they give, what color they do they give? They give red, purple, and blue colors to the plant parts. Okay, that is fruits and vegetables, which we see, the brinjal color is purple. Cabbage, red cabbage, all these, like these red color, purple color, blue color, these all come from what? The anthocyanins. This is also a coloring pigment, but it is not associated with plastids, but they remain dissolved in the cell sap and they give color to the plant parts. Understood? So this is also a coloring pigment. Next we come to this is the chromoplast. Okay. This is the chromoplast, internal membrane. This is the structure of the chromoplast. Okay, this is the stroma. Okay, and these are the colors which are given by the anthocyanins. Okay, this one broccoli. Okay, then the grapes, etc. These are all purple in color. No, that is bluish purple in color. So those are provided by the anthocyanins. Next, we come to the chloroplast, which is a green colored plastid. Chloro means green. Okay, this name came from the word chloro, which means green, and the plastid that gives the name plasts. Okay. So the pigment here is the chlorophyll. Okay. These are abundant in the light exposed parts of the plant, where they are abundant in, that is where they are found mostly. They are found mostly in the exposed parts of the plant, like the leaves. And they are also have the other pigments like orange, yellow, etc. But they are all, these all other pigments are masked by the quantities of chlorophyll. That's why they look green. Another thing, the chloroplast contain their own DNA and then can divide. Okay. They can divide, they have their own DNA, and they can trap solar energy and absorb carbon dioxide, and they manufacture starch and sugar by the process of photosynthesis. We know photosynthesis, that when the photosynthesis takes place, the plants absorb carbon dioxide, they trap solar energy, and they combine with water, and they produce sugar, that is starch. Okay. So all these processes are performed with the help of chlorophyll, the pigment which is present in the chloroplasts. And these chloroplasts are mostly present in the light exposed parts of the plant. Okay, clear? Now, another thing to note, that raw tomatoes, which are green in color, and unripe chilies, they are also green in color. These are due to the presence of chlorophyll. And when they ripen up, this chlorophyll disintegrates and the red color masks them. Okay, so this happens. See, we have seen this red colored tomatoes, the green colored tomatoes, the green chilies, the red chilies, all these we have seen, but we don't know the reason behind it. This is that they have chlorophyll. We know, we can understand that these green color, they have the chlorophyll. But when they ripen, this chlorophyll disintegrates and the masked red parts, masked red color, the red color masks them, masks the chlorophyll. Okay, now this is the picture of chloroplast. See, this has a membrane. Okay, double layered membrane is there. This is the stroma. These are the grana. Okay, these are the grana. It's like they form like columns in stacks. Okay, then these are this middle portion is the thylakoid. Okay, this is the lamella. One strand of that is one grana is connected to another grana by lamella. Okay, so inner membrane, outer membrane, intermediate membrane is there. There's the starch granules present, the ribosomes are there. Okay, the chloroplast are DNA. Like the mitochondria, they also contain their own DNA. Okay, so this is the thing that which is present in the chloroplast, which is present, we know that it is present mainly in the leaves. Okay, so and other green parts of the plant, exposed parts of the plant. Okay, so this is about plastids. Next we come to some inclusions, cell inclusions. Okay, what are cell inclusions? Cell inclusions are generally non-living parts of the cell, like the granules. There are many small particles which are present in the cytoplasm. They contain food materials like starch, glycogen, and fats. Okay, these are food granules, we can say. Some small particles are there which present in the cytoplasm, and they can contain the food materials like starch. The food materials, what type of food materials are there? That starch, glycogen, fats are those. Okay, then vacuoles. Vacuoles are certain clear spaces which are present in the cytoplasm. Mainly they are present in the plant cell. A large conspicuous vacuole is present, and in cases of animal cell, they are maybe inconspicuous or they are not present at all. Okay, like that. So they are filled with water, and various forms of substances are present in the solution form. Okay, in plant cells, they are quite large. I told you, and very conspicuous. Vacuole is very conspicuous in plant cell. So they are very large in size, and they contain cell sap. Okay, the sap, the liquid which is contained in the vacuole is known as the cell sap. Okay, in animal cells, they are not so prominent, and if also present, they are very small in size. Okay, so this is known as these are the granules, you can say. In this, you can see the eosinophil, they have certain granules present. And this is the picture of the vacuole. Okay, this is inconspicuous in case of animal cell, but it is conspicuous, very large in size in case of the plant cell. Okay. Next, we come to nucleus. So I'll discuss this nucleus in my next chapter. So I've completed the cell organelles and the cell inclusions portion. Okay, next I'll come to, this is cytoplasm completed. Now I'll come to the nucleus portion of the cell, the generalized cell, both animal and plant. I'll discuss with you. Okay, so till then, go through this. And if you are facing any doubt, do let me know. Do write in the comment box. Okay. And as I have told you earlier also, I'll discuss some ICSE pattern questions along with these videos. Okay. And if you have, if you want to discuss these question answers with me, you want to know it, or then you have to stay tuned with me, continue with my discussion. Okay, so do subscribe to get the notification of my next video. Do share with your friends, and to keep me motivated, please do like the videos. Okay, press the like button. Okay, thank you for watching, and have a good day.